Are you really considering going to Canada?
Oh, look, love, I don't know. I change my mind every 5 minutes. Then I've also got Jackie to consider.
Yeah, well, rumor has it she'd probably go with you if you ask her.
Hard to believe, isn't it?
Not necessarily. I remember there was a time I would have followed you to the ends of the earth. You ever thought maybe she's really in love with you?
I can accept that part of it. It's the wife, the motherhood, the chickens in the pool. I'm not ready for that yet.
Maybe it's time, Robert.
Oh, come on, don't you start on me as well. The wife.
Beautiful Lily. My wife. My lover. I guess this is what marriage is supposed to be all about.
The motherhood, the chickens.
Can you even consider joining the WSB again? Suppose we had children and you were off in Istanbul somewhere or something like that.
Whoa, back up. Children?
Well, I presume that you and I will be having children one day.
Well, I think it's something we should talk about, hmm?
Well, I think it's something that one shouldn't really talk about, I think.
Huh.
Well, let's see if you can unfix my knitting.
Oh, not the chicken suit again. No.
In the pool.